Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming the obvious but essential toggles. Open Settings and go straight to Personalization, then Taskbar. Change compact or dense options now and watch the bar. Next, check Display Scale and Layout. If it's above 100%, the icons and bar will grow, so set it to 100% or the recommended value. Once done, toggle Tablet Mode and Auto Hide to rule out mode-driven size changes, and restart Explorer if the bar doesn't update right away. If settings didn't fix it, you'll use an advanced control, the registry. First, back up the registry using File Export so you can restore if needed. Then open Regedit and go to the taskbar key for your OS. Change the taskbar seed word to 0 for small, 1 for medium, or 2 for large. You'll be choosing the correct size directly. Make sure to save the change and restart Explorer. EXE or sign out and back, so Windows reads the new value and resizes the taskbar. Finish by restarting Explorer or the whole system so every change takes effect. Check icon spacing and taskbar height to confirm success. If the bar remains oversized, reset taskbar settings to defaults or create a new user profile. Corrupted profiles can force odd sizes. Finally, if nothing helps, boot into safe mode or run system restore to a known working point. That single troubleshooting tip often undoes hidden configuration problems and gets you back to a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.